What's up, you guys? So this weekend I'm with Cara. She's literally in all my videos. But we are up in a cabin up in Georgia for the weekend. Oh, this is dirty.
For a second I forgot where we were.
I know, me too. And I was like, where are we?
I was like,
We've been here basically a full day. And we went to town and everything. I didn't vlog or get any clips just because my body was against me yesterday and so was hers, so we were just so out of it. But today is a recovery day. Just us and the doggos. This is our cabin view. As you guys already probably saw from us waking up, but yeah, it's 10:30 here. We're slept in some because our bodies are in pain. But we're gonna make some breakfast and hang out with the dogs all day while Cara's making breakfast.
leave me alone.
I'm washing their booties because we went on a hike yesterday into the creek. It was still wet and it's been a day, so I was like, might as well just wash them and make sure they're not moldy and clean them properly. But I will insert the couple of videos we got of them in the little creek. It's not really a creek, it's a little stream. And then we also went on a little hike, so I'll insert those clips now. I'm standing at the top of the stairs, Cara. He won't come down. Come here! Come here! So Cara and I decided to attempt to go out. We're just gonna do it. So when her parents get back to the cabin, we're gonna go out into town and get some food, and then we're going to an apple farm or something like that. I don't know, they have like a petting zoo and everything, so I think that'll be fun. You can hear the dogs coming down the steps. What are you guys doing? Get into trouble? Or you found a ball. Cara's currently getting changed. We're gonna do some laundry, finish getting ready, and then I think her parents will be back by then and we'll be heading out. So we have let the dogs run around a little bit, as you saw. I don't think we're at the apple orchard, wherever.
I don't know where we are.
Yeah, honestly, her parents just pulled over and was like, let the dogs play. So, oh, are you tired? So yeah, we let them run around. I think we're still going to an apple orchard. It's supposed to have like farm animals and stuff.
Zoo.
Yeah, a petting zoo and stuff. Biscuit, stop.
Arya bit me like 4 times while playing, so now I'm covered in mud. Thanks.
But we just let them run because they haven't been able to run really much at the cabin because there's not like a field. Oh yeah, leave it.
Bean.
So this is nice. It's just this big open field. There's the road. Yeah, there's the road. We haven't gone near it. This is where we stopped. It's like it's some cider place. But the babies are all worn out. Stop eating grass.
How do you have mud on your head?
So it turns out we were at the right like apple farm, but they don't have any of their outdoor activities, like the petting zoo and stuff, until September. And we're here in July, so 2 more months. But we came to eat at this barbecue place called Pools. Yeah, it's pretty good, in my opinion. It's really cute. It's got all these like pigs signs on the side. Yeah, these were all like the different customers when it first opened.